Hey guys, welcome to yet another educative class on Tanu hair and craft. If you are just joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you have been here before, you are also welcome. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to support us. And if you have any comments, please, I will really like to see it. Today we are going to be learning how to make hair bun, as you can see on the screen. Once you get yourself a rectangular mesh, you fold it into 4 places. When you fold it, you now take your measurement and measure 3 inches on both the left and the right side, as you can see on the screen. Actually, what we need for this project is our mesh, elastic, safety pin, and of course the hair we are going to use. Today we are going to be using the kinky hair. When you measure, you mark so you can connect both measurements to form an arc. After connecting them, you now cut it out. When you cut it out, it will give you the circle that we need for this project. You see that? That is the circle we need. I will need 2 of this. So you cut another one so that we can get the 2 circles that we need for this project. As you can see, I have another circle. We place both of them together and sew round. Let's go to the sewing machine. So you sew around the circle just as you can see on the screen, and make sure you don't sew the full circle. Make sure you leave a little hole, a little space, where I will tell you why we are leaving that little space later on. After sewing, you now use the scissors to cut the excess net or mesh around the circle. Cut it neatly. After that, what we do next is to turn it inside out. We turn the net inside out. That's the reason why we left that little hole. I told you earlier on that we are not going to sew it fully. We are going to leave a little space. So it's through that space, as you can see on the screen, that I use to turn it over like this. So I've turned it inside out. After turning it inside out, I'm now going to sew it round again. This time around, it's going to be ½ inch from the edge of the circle. ½ inch from the edge of the circle, I will sew it round. This second sewing, I'm going to sew it fully. I'm not going to leave space like the first one. Now that I'm done sewing for the sewing round for the second time, now it is time to pass the elastic through the net. This is how it looks like after passing the elastic through it. So what we do next is to knot the elastic, and you can use your lighter to burn it. All is to safeguard it. After burning the elastic, what we do, we place it on our mannequin head and use pins to safeguard it, kind of to pin it down, so we'll be able to work on it. This is ready to be used. What we do now is to crochet the hair on the net. Crochet it on the mesh, just as you can see on the screen. Please sit back and enjoy the rest of the class. Yes, now we are done with everything. We've done the crocheting all over the net. So now we finger comb it and trim to shape. Yes, this is the result of what we've been doing. It's already trimmed to shape, nice and simple. This is how it looks on someone's hair, even on the normal weaving. You can put it on. You have a relaxed hair, you can also put it on. It's simple. When you need to go out and you don't feel like your hair is not made, and you don't feel like putting on wig, you just want something simple, nothing heavy, this is what you need. Place your hair bun on your hair and you are good to go. Wow, look at the back. This is really nice. I hope you like it, and I hope you have learned something new today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share our videos. This hair bun that we made today is a simple one. It's something that you can do yourself at home. Try it, and you can even sell it and hang it like this on your shop, and it stands out. See how beautiful it looks. Imagine it in different colors. Wow. Thank you so much, and goodbye.